Hey Madden fans! Are you getting the frustrating EA Play Trial error even though you own the full version of Madden 24? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix it and get back on the field. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log out and log back in. When the EA Play Trial error pops up, don't panic. Immediately log out of your EA account. After logging out, log back in right away. Relaunch Madden 24 to check if the issue is fixed. Why this works. Logging out refreshes your account access and resyncs your license. Most players fix the issue with just this simple step. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. If logging out didn't work, restart your device. On Xbox or PS5, power down completely, not just in rest mode. For PC users, restart from the Start menu. Once the system boots back up, launch Madden 24 again. Pro tip. This clears any cache or session glitches that might cause the trial error. Step 3. Submit a support ticket. If the issue still persists, you might need direct assistance from EA. Head to the EA Help website, link in the description. Open a support ticket under Madden NFL 24. Explain that you own the full game but are stuck in the EA Play Trial. EA's support team should resolve the issue for you. 9 out of 10 times, logging out and back in fixes the error. If you need further assistance, EA support is always there to help. If this tutorial helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Genie for more troubleshooting guides and gaming fixes. Hit the bell icon for the latest fixes and updates. Now go dominate the field.